What is Builder Gel? How to use and how to remove guide. Are you tired of weak, brittle nails that just won't grow? Enter Builder Gel, the secret weapon for sturdy, long-lasting, and salon-worthy nails. This revolutionary product is thicker than regular gel polish, making it perfect for creating strength and length without sacrificing a smooth, natural look. Builder Gel is a versatile nail enhancement, loved by professionals and DIY manicurists alike. Whether you're shaping extensions, adding durability, or growing your natural nails with added protection, this product works wonders and has become a staple in the nail enthusiast community. Applying Builder Gel may seem intimidating at first, but with the right steps, you can achieve flawless results at home. Start by prepping your nails, cleanse, file, and push back cuticles to create a smooth base. Follow this by applying a thin layer of base coat and curing it under a UV/LED lamp. Next, it's time for the Builder Gel. Scoop a small bead onto your brush and gently distribute it across your nail, focusing on the apex for added strength. Cure under the lamp, file to perfect the shape. Then finish with a gel top coat for a high-shine, chip-resistant finish. Ready to switch up your nails or take a break? Removal is just as important as the application. Start by lightly filing the top coat to break the seal. Then, soak your nails in acetone using cotton balls and foil wraps for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen the gel. After soaking, use a cuticle pusher or wooden stick to gently lift off the softened gel. Be patient. Rushing can damage your nail surface. Once you've removed all the residue, rehydrate with nourishing cuticle oil and hand cream to keep your nails happy and healthy. Builder Gel is the ultimate solution for achieving salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. Its strong, durable, and versatile nature makes it ideal for beginners and seasoned nail enthusiasts alike. Plus, learning to master Builder Gel is a rewarding skill that lets you express your creativity effortlessly. Now that you know the secrets of Builder Gel, it's time to put your skills to the test. Gather your nail tools, get creative, and achieve that flawless manicure you've always wanted. If you found this guide helpful, like and share. Subscribe for more nail tips and tutorials. Your next masterpiece awaits.